Good morning, grade 2 students. How are you today? I hope you're all fine and you're all enjoying your learning at home. So, I'm so sorry the previous link didn't work. So, I've changed it, and this time you are going to be so excited. I know. So, what you're going to be doing is first, you're going to be clicking on the link and you're going to come here to our class website, which is the supercoders.wordpress.com. Okay, do you see the address here? It's supercoders.wordpress.com. When you come here, you're going to be clicking on grade 2. Click on grade 2. Has it turned red yet? Yes. Then once it's turned red, come down and at the bottom, this is what you're going to be doing today. I want you to click on the heading that says 22nd March e-learning spelling bee. Click on that and it will bring you here. Do you remember this? We've done this a long time ago. Do you remember? Okay, so it'll be a good practice for you. We'll be doing a bit of coding and a bit of typing in the coming weeks. So let's start. You can either choose to watch this video to get an idea. If you don't want to watch this video, it's fine. Click on X and close it. Now, you have to read these instructions. Okay, if you cannot read and you need help with that, you have to click on the speaker button to help you. But let's read it out together. Move me to spell the word east, E-A-S-T, right? So you need to move the B to go to the word east. Do you see east here? E-A-S-T. So how does the B have to go? So when you press the run button, the B has to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times to east. Well done. So 1 is already here, 2, 3, and 4. Now I want you to click the run button to check if what you've done is right. You can also check it by going step by step. Okay, so I'm going to click on run. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay, you spelled it right. Congratulations, you finished the puzzle 1. Now, you click on continue and you go to puzzle number 2. Now, this time you need to spell the word south. So you need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times down. Do you remember this? What did I tell you about going down 5 times? It's better if you use the repeat loop. Excellent. So you're going to pick the repeat loop, put it up here. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're going to choose the number 5 and you're going to put what inside? Which direction does the bee have to go 5 times? Very good. The bee has to go 5 times down. So I'm going to put the down arrow inside. Now, how do we check if what we've done is right or wrong? By clicking on the run button. Excellent. Are you ready? Here you go. Run. So the bee is going 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Do you see the letters it spelled? South. Excellent. So we keep going this way. Okay? So I want you to go all the way. All the circles have to be green until you reach level 9. Comment below my post to say that you have finished. Okay? See you